bigger defense budget in 2025. Russia leads again with $109 billion military budget. Which country has more active military personnel? Russia dominates again with over 1.3 million active soldiers. Operates more modern main battle tanks. Russia crushes with 5,750 tanks. Who has more fighter jets in 2025? Russia leads the fighter jet power with 773 jets. Who has more warships and naval power? Russia controls the seas with 598 naval assets. Who owns more combat helicopters? Russia storms ahead with 544 attack helicopters. Who has nuclear weapons? Russia holds massive nuclear firepower with 5,580 warheads. Who has more military satellites? Russia rules space with 125 military satellites. Who's the master of drone combat? Russia dominates drone warfare with 1,500 drones. Which country holds the highest global military power ranking in 2025? Russia dominates with global rank number 2, only behind the United States. Final round. Special Forces, the Silent Ghosts, the Invisible Warriors. Russia, home to the legendary Spetsnaz, feared across the globe for their brutal efficiency.